Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Temporal Cloud for reliable data pipelines, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Temporal Cloud. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the Login button on the home page. Click on the Login button to proceed to the login page. You will see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password into the second field. If you wish to stay logged in, check the Remember Me option. After filling in your details, click the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Temporal Cloud dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings. Once logged in, you can start creating and managing your data pipelines. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available features. With these steps, you can easily log into Temporal Cloud for reliable data pipelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.